May mga balahibo sila, oh, men. Good morning guys, so it's 6:30 a.m. Okay naman yung panahon. So, ang itinerary namin ngayon is Safari World, Bangkok. Aqua Park saka yung parang nasa Klook bus kami, joiners.
Good morning, guys.
So sa bus lang kami, tapos dadaan siya sa parang may mga, sa wild may mga lion, may hipo din, hippopotamus saka rhino ata. So yun, whole day kami doon, mamayang 5 yung balik dito. So yung meetup niya is sa Siam Paragon 1, Gate 1, sa loob daw. 7:45 yung meetup, so 6:30 breakfast dito sa Picnic Hotel. Tapos nag-advance booking ako ng Grab, titikapin ng 7:15 papuntang Siam Paragon. Injured.
Nakakabalikat.
Injured.
Nag-push up, muscle strain.
Langit kang injured. Gala-gala.
So mamaya na lang breakfast lang kami and then Safari World. So, meron silang rice, fried rice, noodles, pad krapawday, fried enchilada, baked beans, mashed potato, ham and chicken, sausage, and then yung parang lugaw nila. So ito yung lugar. Kampalaya? Parang hindi lang pala. So kain lang kami guys. Breakfast. Good morning guys. So nandito na kami sa Siam Paragon 1, Gate 1. Sabihin nyo lang sa guard na Klook kayo and then papapasukin kayo. Then meron dong booth ng Klook. Pakita nyo lang yung QR code and then bibigyan kayo ng sticker tulad nito. And then paupuan kayo dito sa mga monoblock ba naghihintay. Yung bus nasa labas ata. So ito yung harap ng waiting area. Tonchin, parang mga ramen. So pasok namin sa bus. So ito yung bus.
There's something about the way you hit.
Any seat?
I hate on
Okay.
cause that's when you look your best. There's something about the way your eyes light up every room, like the planets and the moon. I revolve
Second row to the back.
Before I met you, darling.
My name is Dylan, and you're your sticker, okay? And today, I will transfer you to Safari World and Marine Park, okay? And first of all, when we are drop you, that means I pray for you go to toilet, last toilet, okay? And come back a bus, okay? And I will get the ticket and come back also. After that, we go with our bus going to Safari World, around 40 minutes.
So dito na tayo sa Safari World. 10 o'clock pa daw yung open ng ticket. Kuha na ng ticket. So maghintay kami kasi 8:46 pa lang. Maaga yung dating namin. So CR muna kami. So may mga souvenir shop dito. Ito yung restroom. And then meron din silang Grab pick-up drop-off point. Kai Citizen, taxi, ice cream, beverage. May ATM din dito guys. Kung kailangan nyo mag-withdraw. Anong bank yun? Parang KS Bank or... Meron lang silang 250 baht na charge pag mag-withdraw. So almost 500 yun. 9 a.m. yung bukas ng bilihan ng ticket. And bawal din pala yung drinks sa food sa loob. So iiwan nyo siya sa bus or wag na lang kayo magdala para hindi sayang. And drone, bawal din ang drone. So yung in-avail namin na tour is yung may international buffet. 7:45 yung alis sa Siam Paragon and then yung balik is 4:45 or 5 p.m. So whole day siya. Sa Klook ko lang din na-book Safari World Tour. So pili lang kayo doon. Lagay ko na lang yung link sa description box sa baba.
Say you wanna come over tonight. Yeah, you wanna make up and make it right. When everybody's looking for something else they can do, we try to make it work this time. We had let go of our doubts. Let's make it matter, cause we will never ever come down. It looks like we made it.
Ibigay yung camera. Wala humarang siya doon sa daan. So hindi makadaan yung mga kotse. Kanina gumagulong-gulong siya. So, nag-start na yung safari tour. Para sa Google, nasa 190 hectares siya. So, sobrang lawak.
If your heart should break on the map of my mistakes, I'm here if you need me. Just keep on believing.
Ito na yung mga tiger. Bengal tiger.
Should fall, I'll give you shelter through.
Ayan, nakahiga siya, oh. Tulog siya.
I'm here if you need me. 'Cause it's waiting there for you.
Tulog ang be.
Yeah, because it's black.
Ang laki.
Oh, marami ka na.
Ang laki, oh.
We
Oh, wow.
have to turn darkness into light. When everything we have done comes around, comes undone, we try to make it right this time.
So, tapos na yung aming 45-minute ride na viewing yung safari, yung mga wild animals. So, papasok na kami, kanya-kanyang gala na, and then mag-meet mamaya 4:45 para pabalik ng Siam Paragon. Pero, pwede rin kami punta sa Marine Park. Ayan, ito na ipapasok sa safari. Ito yung entrance ng... So, i-check yung bag doon sa entrance. Bawal ang tubig, bawal ang food. Papasok doon sa Safari Park. Safari.
Safari.
Safari hanggang hulo.
At the back of Blossom, okay? After finish, we have some time, you just walk around and go to see dolphin show.
May mga balahibo sila, oh. Parang may mga balahibo.
Lumot yan.
Hindi, yun, oh. Dapat na. Ayan. Ang ganda ng ilalim nila, parang nasa dagat talaga, no, men? So, Manatis, yung nakita natin. Dito ka tayo sa gilid din, mami, para kita yung... Yan. 1, 2, 3. So, punta muna tayo sa Orangutan Show. 10:15 yung show. So, meron naman schedule sa umaga. Meron sa... Isa sa umaga, isa sa hapon. So, ito yung Orangutan Show. Ang dami ng tao. Dito tayo sa pinakalikod na lang. Okay tayo.
Welcome to Bangkok Safari World and to our Orangutan Thai Boxing Show. Okay, before we go on with the boxing. Mr. World ของเรามาพร้อมกับการยินดีต้อนรับ
So, dito naman tayo sa Elephant Show. So, mga 15 minutes lang pala yung Orangutan Show.
Welcome to the majestic Safari World Elephant Show.
So, tapos na yung elephant show. 15 minutes lang mahigit. Tig 15 minutes lang sila. 11 start eh.
25-30 minutes.
Yeah. So, next, ano yung next? Firework. 15 minutes lang yung mga show dito. Meron sa umaga and then meron sa gabi. Ang laki. Hindi yan agad. Firework. James Bond. So dito tayo ngayon sa Spywar. 11:45 ata yung start ng show. So after nito, 12:30 sa International Buffet naman tayo. Spywar. So may mga tindahan naman sila dito sa gilid-gilid. Ito yung nakakabasa. Advice sa amin, no? Tour guide, huwag umupo sa row 1 to 6. So dapat mga 7 pataas. So ito siya. Parang nag-shooting ng movie. Yung mga fresh buko din sila dito. Oo, daming tao. Ice cream muna.
I get anything what you want. I'm using up. Come on, Mister. You can't go out. Huh? See that? Run! Run on! You out of this
So tapos na yung Spywar show. Maganda siya, guys. Kumusta yung Spywar show?
Super
Intense. Mga basang-basa yung mga nadun sa may una.
Katakot
First
yun.
1 to 6 row.
Katakot yung mga putok.
Kaya nga yung init, naramdam din yung init ng ano,
Parang,
pagsabog sa kayong mga baril.
ayun yung bida, yun ba yun?
Alin, nasan?
Ayun, oh.
Oo. Pero maganda yung story, no? Ito yung harap niya, guys. Oh.
Ang galing.
So, punta na tayo sa lunch. International Buffet. 12:30. Tingnan natin kung anong meron sa International Buffet ng Safari World ng Bangkok. Tengen. Camel.
Tuntua siya.
Papadende siya ng camel. Hello.
Ang gusto rin niya.
So, naglalakad kami ngayon papunta sa Blossom Restaurant kasi doon yung buffet, International Buffet. So habang naglalakad kami from Spywar, yung mga nadaan kami flamingo, orangutan, camel, saka yung alpaca, camel feeding 100, baby camel feeding 200 ba. So hinahanap pa rin namin yung Blossom Restaurant. Dito lang siya sa may aviary restaurant. Blossom Restaurant. Waterside Food Court. Food court. Ah, ito, Blossom Restaurant to. Blossom Restaurant. So may food court din dito sa labas ng Blossom. Excuse me.
How many questions?
3. So, pasok lang kayo sa Blossom Restaurant. Pakita niyo lang yung sticker niyo. Ito. Na binigay ng tour guide. And then, bibigyan kayo ng table number. So, nandito na kami sa Blossom Lunch Buffet. So, ito yung mga pagkain nila. Fried chicken, squid, vegetables, pork, and then yung soup. And then may ice cream din. And then may mga fruits. So, dito naman tayo sa Dolphin Show. Ang tao. Party guys.
Don't forget to say hi!
Say hi! 1, 2, 3, yeah!
哦，等一下，等一下。
1, 2, 3.
Wow! Everyone, please clap your hands.
Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
等一下，
ว่าไงคะ
看怎么样 ？Wow! Everyone, look is 1, 2, 3.
ขอบคุณค่ะเชียร์
Wow! That will show how who knows and speaking.
Yeah
เสียงประมือพี่น้องชาวไทยครับผมใครปรบมือขอให้สุดสวยฮะ
สาธุปรบมือดังๆเลยนะเอ้ยหนักกว่าอ่ะเป็นยังไงแล้ว
ข้ามมาแล้ว ไม่หลดเพราะว่าปลายปากของเขาคล้ายกับคอป่วย
ขอบคุณพี่เชียร์อีออซ่าWow! Bravo! Everyone, Dolphin keep the ball out of the pool!
请大家帮忙加油 1, 2, 3 yeah
เสียงสิ้นเสียงสิ้น
ระวังหน้าไว้ด้วยนะครับเย้เย้ครับ play soccer keep the ball out of the pool
ขอบคุณพี่เชียร์
wow I think that's where the Manchester United team
Yeah, and you!
yeah one more 1, 2 อันนี้ Okay, thank you. Yay!
Please clap your hands!
ปรบมือให้ด้วยครับ
ขอบคุณค่ะ มีไฟมาแล้วพร้อมเลย
ใช่ครับ และในช่วงนี้พลาดไม่ได้เลยนะฮะกับความตื่นเต้นกัน
So, tapos na yung Dolphin Show, guys. Ito yung pinakagusto ko. Ito yung pinakagusto ko, may ikaw. Pinakagusto mo?
Yung sa ano, Spy War.
Spy War? Ikaw, Day, anong pinakagusto mo? Lahat na. Akala ko yung buffet. Sea Lion Show. So, dito na tayo sa Sea Lion Show.
Pero ako nakapanood na ng ganito din nga sa ano,
Saan?
Bali.
Zambales?
Mag-field trip kami ng college ako
Ah.
sa
Oh.
Ocean Park.
So hanap kayo ng may electric fan kasi meron silang mist. Pag bago mag-start yung show, nagbubuga na siya ng parang malamig na tubig. Ito oh. Yan. Diyan kayo pumeso yung may mga tapat na ganit.
Two and three, number two, at the mark of number three. Wow, please show you have to either one. Okay, หมายเลขหนึ่งนะผมเรียนร้อยหมายเลขสองหมายเลขสามสุดยอดสี่เอาต่อไปเลย
So ngayon yung last show, 4:15, is yung bird show. And then 15 minutes na ngayon, 4:45, punta na kami dun sa drop-off point. Doon na rin yung pick-up ng bus. Pabalik ng Siam, Paragon. Ito na yung bird show.
Buka na.
So, try na dito. Dito na lang. So, dito na kami sa bird show. Dito na kami pumesto sa harap. May iba naman.
Mabilis tayo makaka...
Then, the bird show. In that moment, you to see the teacher of the lovely and intelligent bird. This can allow with a friend of the rules of the learn.
Ayaw naman eh.
เสียงปรบมือตามจังหวะเสียงเพลงเลยค่ะช่วยกันปลุกน้องข้าวโพดหน่อยค่ะ Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the performer, Miss Roy Lisa. สวัสดีค่ะ everybody. Ready? One, two, and three! Yeah! That's fantastic! Then we met Olivas and Prince
Wow!
They are Maruso, the Maruso. It has been known as Maruso because of its appearance. They are the social bird and often present in group near lake or swamp. And they can eat almost any animal and places. อาหารการกินค่ะก็หอยทุกวัน That's your name. Momo Mimi. Momo มาแล้ว Mimi. Come on, come on. มาด้วยพักก่อนแม่บอกให้พักก่อนนะคะโอเคขอให้ต่อมารอบสุดท้ายของคุณลูกเล็กไว้ไงเลย Oh my god ลูกเล็ก Thank you so much to join the show and thank you so much for supporting สามารถนำมาได้บนรถเช็คอินได้แอร์สุดยอดเลยวันนี้เลยแม่เลิกของพี่เลิกนี่ บ๊ายบาย ขอบคุณค่ะ สนุกไหมคะ สนุกขอเสียงปรบมือกับทีมงานอีกครั้งค่ะ
So tapos na yung bird show. Ano na ba? 4:38 na. So babalik na kami dun sa pick-up point ng bus. Kasi 4:45 yung pick-up. So tapos na tayo dito sa Safari World. De. Ano rate nyo? Rate.
8 out of 10.
Ikaw de. Ano, natawa na lagi si Daddy. Ako mga 8 din or ganun.
Lang 10 sana kasi hindi ko napatuka yung kalabaw.
Hindi, yung buong Safari World, anong rate mo?
Sa safari.
Oo.
Okay. 9 out of 10.
9? Ikaw de? 9 din?
Ganun.
Mga ganun din daw. So, punta na kami dun sa pick-up. And then, Siam Paragon na lang, kita-kits.
If your heart